Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my video is about crochet hair accessories. If you love handmade crochet art and beautiful floral hair accessories, you are in right place. You are in the right place. Here you will discover unique crochet floral design made with care, creativity and attention. Our handmade creations are perfect for hair clips, headbands, hair bows, hair accessories and baby accessories. If you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, you will find fresh ideas and inspiration in every video. These crochet hair accessories are perfect for matching with various outfits and stylish. Wearing these will you make look stylish and unique. You can will be worn with casual outfits, traditional dresses and party wear, making it a perfect accessory for everyday use. It is it is also handmade gift for friend, family and loved ones. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget don't forget to press the bell icon so you will be the first to watch our latest video. Stay connected with us until see you in the next video.